Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to finally make some coffee with the 300-ton hydraulic press. And we are going to make espresso type of coffee. I have made really nice system here. We have cylinder, water goes here, piston goes top of the water, then just like on the real thing, we have espresso handle, coffee goes here, piston goes down, coffee comes out. Maybe, probably not. I'm sure that we can explode the handle or something is going to break. That's the only thing that is sure on this video, that something is going to break. But to have best possible chance of success, we have special guest. Here is Coffee Lauri. He knows the same amount about coffee than I know about crushing shit.
Yeah, I'm Lauri from Good Life Coffee Roasters and Finnish barista champion years ago, and 2 weeks ago we won the Nordic Best Roaster Championship. So yeah. 15 years only coffee.
Yeah, and we are the best hydraulic press channel in the country, so we are both best. That's clear.
Yes.
I just realized that the only reason that we are done all this is because we can. I have no idea how this is going to affect the coffee. So, but you had some theories about the end results.
Yeah, I think the high pressure will suck all the flavor from the coffee that is possible. So it will be strong, I think.
Yeah, we can make the grind the coffee into really fine dust, yeah, and still push the water through.
Yeah, so that means it will extract so much that at the end I think it will be quite bitter. But
I think now we are going to start with reasonable, or it's not completely reasonable, because the typical espresso it takes how long to make?
Around 25-30 seconds.
And when the press is at the slowest, it's going to be 2 seconds. So we are going to start with reasonable 10 times the normal speed, yeah, and then we can ramp it up there. And we can also use the press to make really dense coffee puck that is almost like waterproof, and then still force the water through. Yeah. So I think we start with reasonable and then escalate from there. This coffee maker also needs to preheat it. It's a bit different. Have you ever used this on preheating the coffee maker?
That's how we do it always. No. No.
Yeah, because if that's 15 degrees and we pour warm water there, it's going to cool down really fast, the water, and nobody wants that. So we are going to preheat it. It's quite a lot of hassle for 1 cup of coffee. Yeah.
I always clean everything, but in this case.
Yeah, this is not very food grade. At least I'm going to risk it all and taste it.
Yeah.
Taste it. I think we are not going to die.
No, it's just so small amount. So.
Yeah. Does this look like?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Then we need our heated thing. It's 130 degrees. Is that good coffee temperature?
I think it will cool down a bit.
Yeah. I think I'm going to get the coffee grinding machine away. It's Timo's.
Yeah.
So if this explodes, we don't want to get any coffee shrapnel.
Yeah, and I think Timo especially said that please don't crush this.
I'm a bit afraid that it's so hot that the seal might be gone, but we have plenty of those also. I think it's too hot.
Yeah.
Hey, it's cooling down. Okay, in goes the piston.
Okay, in goes the piston.
In goes the piston, out goes the coffee.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, it's working.
Yeah.
Is that good amount?
That looks like an espresso, yeah.
Okay. I'm speechless.
Yes.
I never thought that this would actually work.
Yeah, I thought it would be, yeah, much.
Yeah, it didn't look good when the water just boiled on the coffee maker. But now, hey, taste test.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
We're going to...
Is it normal that the coffee looks like...
Yeah. Okay, maybe some grounds on the bottom, so don't drink it. It might be quite hot.
Yeah, definitely lot of stuff came through. Do you wanna taste? It's like food. It's not a drink. It's like food.
Yeah.
But
Not as horrible as I
Yeah.
would have expected, but
yeah, the basic taste is good.
Okay.
The texture is terrible.
Okay. We should improve that.
But I have like filter papers.
Yeah,
So
that's
if
good.
we would add those,
At the bottom of the
Yeah,
coffee
yeah.
pack. Yeah.
that would probably make it like easier. So I'm going to say that everything else was perfect. We just need the filter paper there.
Yeah.
So we're going to load it again and try with the filters. I'm quite sure that there was so much pressure that the cup is spread slightly. But there's still like coffee here. Okay, here is the damage report. The bottom of the filter thing got dented, as you can see. And then there is like slots on the core, like edges of the actual frame. And then the filter cup goes over those slots. And those parts of the actual like filter cup got dented slightly. And I think it tends to leak there when the pressure goes really high. You can see that on like end of the crush, small amount of water probably came out also from the top. But most of the water went through the coffee just like planned. So I think this is going to be really great system. Okay, new try now with some filter papers. And now the coffee maker 5 million is about 85 degrees, so this shouldn't boil. Oh, it doesn't matter, it's just the...
Oh, what was that?
Yeah, I think it looks like we first made espresso here, and then I think the technical term for the next phase is bypass water. We made it like not so strong by adding little bit just water, but looking great.
And it's not, it looks like much better.
Yeah,
the
if you
coffee.
ignore the flying parts. Yeah, this didn't fly here. That didn't happen.
But not that many flying parts yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we are going to get more.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Looks cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, it just works.
Yeah, it's better than in some gas stations.
Yeah.
Hey, we are getting
Cool,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
The first one was like almost undrinkable,
Yeah.
better than gas station. And this is honestly, hey Hanna, have a check.
Yeah, it looks like it's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
We limited the pressure with the air there. If I fill it completely, then we are going to have higher pressure probably. But should we also make the coffee puck more dense? Or should we just add speed? What is your recommendation? Which would be like more important coffee science?
Not sure in this. It might like denser or even grinding finer.
Yeah, okay, let's go like stupidly fine, stupidly dense. And also, I'm going to skip the air. You you have some experience about like operating coffee. Does this look like?
Yeah.
Is this like when is it Valvira or who like makes sure that everything is clean?
They might say some, but yeah. Let's see. Let's put it as full as we can. More.
I have also the extra instrument ready. I'm going to give it like. Here the standard is that you should be really happy if you don't get any parts from the coffee maker to your coffee. Yeah, these are starting to break. I tried to hammer this straight, but I think the coffee machine is going to get worse and worse each go. It has had its moment, and now it's downhill from there. The slightly better than on the gas station was its peak moment. Is that like highly? Is that like good like result on the coffee circles? Slightly better than the gas station.
Yeah, that's
the dream of every barista.
Yes.
Make slightly better than gas station. So we are all officially there, and now it's time for extreme coffee. I put the machine at the full speed. Let's hope that it doesn't leak now. I'm expecting that the handle is going to fly.
Oopsie.
That was fast coffee. It was like 0.1 seconds and the coffee is served.
It was express coffee.
Espresso with X.
A bit too much water. I think I kept pressing like 0.05 seconds too long.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, more like Americano
Yeah.
with coffee grounds.
I think that there was something. This was pretty bit hard to line because it was full of water. But I think actually this ain't broken, so the video ain't over. So next step is to use hydraulic press to make the coffee block. The surface that is against the seal is the weak point on the cup, the espresso handle cup thing. But I hammered it once more and used the 150-ton press to really compact the coffee, really dense puck. I think I used about maybe 1 ton. I didn't want to go too much not to break the handle or the wooden plank under it, but it's dense. And now we have the ultimate hydraulic press compressed coffee puck. And otherwise it's the same thing. I try to now limit the amount. I put just like small amount of water, so we could actually enjoy the coffee. Nyt mennään.
Oi!
Explosion.
I think that's the peak coffee.
Yeah.
I cannot see how we can improve from that.
Oh. Ugh.
I don't understand how you can get so much the coffee beans through and so little taste. It's like water, hot water, and like grounded coffee beans.
Yeah.
So I didn't think actually that this is going to work. So that was the first surprise. But I think the promise of like really strong coffee didn't like come through.
Yeah, maybe too quick, so it didn't have time to.
Yeah, that's
take.
true actually. Maybe if we would have like high pressure and long time,
Yeah.
we would need to limit the flow through the handle somehow.
Yeah. Or make way bigger this.
Yeah,
whole
that's
thing.
also true. Yeah, that's option also.
Yeah.
But the second was like drinkable.
Yeah, that I could pay €2.
Yeah. We spent like 500 euros on parts and like 20 kilos of steel and 3 days of work. So.
Yeah, and this.
Yeah, and this, so like maybe not worth for 2 euros. But I'm sure that people have a lot of ideas how to improve this on the comments. I'm not going to promise that I will continue on this effort, but we can think about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but hey, big thanks for coffee,
Thank
Lauri.
you. It was fun. Thanks for inviting me.
And do you have web shop where people can buy your coffee? Not this coffee, but like the roasted coffee from your roastery.
Goodlifecoffee.fi.
Yeah, I leave link down in the description, so go check them out. Lauri drove a long way here. Finland is big country. We have 200 kilometers between each people, so.
Yeah. This was the second house from.
Yeah, we are neighbors.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for watching and have a nice day.